Hi guys, I'm coming to you from my bathroom in San Diego, and today we're going to go over the Tubshroom. This is a neat little invention that prevents clogged drains. And the way that it works is you just take this little unit, put it inside your bathtub or shower drain if it's deep enough, and it catches all of the shed hair that falls off when you take a shower. Then what you will do is about once a week, you'll lift it out of the drain, and then you'll just remove all that shed hair. It's disgusting because it's a little bit slimy and stuff, but you put it in the trash, and there you go. You can continue to take a shower with no slow drains. The water just rushes through nice and fast like normal. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to put it in. This is what the unit looks like. The middle part catches the hair. The holes allow the water to run through freely while you're taking a shower. And then that bottom lip doesn't let any hair go through. So that's the Tubshroom. Let me hop in here and we'll put it in and make sure I don't trip. There I go. And then here's my clean drain. And you just put it in like so. And it will you just take a shower like normal. It never comes out and it lives there. And then what you'll do is once a week, you'll come along and you'll pull him out, and then you'll just remove the stray hair, the shedded hair, and throw it in the trash. And then you just put it back in and leave it. Now my last unit, like I said earlier in the video, it lasted for about 10 months. It was awesome. I was taking showers with no clogged up drains and the water moved through fast. So that's the Tubshroom. It's an awesome, awesome product. I highly recommend you guys get one and put one in every tub in the room, in the house. So Tubshroom. For those of you who are wondering, I got my cute sweater. It's brand new. I got it on Amazon, and I've got two other colors to show you. I'll show you those in just a minute. They're laying over there on the bed. And I ended up getting a total of 8 sweaters because they were so inexpensive. I think there were only 22. So go ahead and check out my link below. And thanks so much for watching my Tubshroom video. Remember, if you have long hair or you're an extension wearer, you're going to love this, and you're going to love how clog-free your drains are. Until the next video, bye!